I am here again with a new video, and in my previous video I had shown you how to set up a foundation for Laravel and Vue.js application, where we did most of the things like setting up the main controller, setting up the main blade file, setting up the route, and also we have created a home component and also set its route in the view part. Now in this video I am going to tell you how we can create other components like about us, contact us, and other CMS pages that we have usually seen in our web application. So friends, let's start with a new part, that's part 3rd of this tutorial. Before I start with this part, I request you to subscribe my channel if you are a new user, and also give me your clear idea whether you are liking this video or not. You can also give me a dislike if you are not agree with my point and you are not satisfied with my content. I will improve myself. So friends, give me a clear idea what you are thinking so that I can improve my video day by day. Let's start with the 3rd part of the tutorial. Here in this video I am going to create a about us content component. As we have already created a home component, so I am going to copy that home component and save it as about us component. So friends, here is my home component, and I am going to save it as about us component. Oops, I'm really sorry. I have to write. Yeah. Now I have created this about us component, and I'm going to change it from home to about us. And here also I'm going to change about us. I hope you can create these components very easily by yourself. If you find any difficulty in creating these components, then you can comment. And again, like about us component, I'm going to create a new component, that is contact us component. Again, in the same way, I'm going to save about us component as contact component. So friends, I have created both the components. Now I'm going to create a route for these two components. Here in the app.js file, I am going to import these two components and define a route for these two components. Simply I copy this line from here. In fact, 2 times I will copy this line. So in this way I have created route for these two components. Here I am going to name this route about this. In fact, you can name it as about us here. I think you have got my point, how we can define route for these two components. Here I have imported these two components with their path. This is all for the routes setting. I'm going to create a navigation menu with the help of Bootstrap, and I'm going to include Bootstrap here in my main.blade.php file script directly from CDN. As you can see, friends, here is my Bootstrap main.css file. Also, I have included jQuery.main.js file and bootstrap.main.js file. You must include these files in your application locally. I hope you understand my point. Now, I am going to write HTML code for creating this navigation menu. And here you can see this is my HTML code for creating this navigation menu. Here in usual HTML code, if we have to create a link, then we will create this link from anchor tag. But here in Vue.js, we will create this link with the help of route link component. This is the inbuilt component that Vue.js provide us so that we can define our route, we can create links from this component. In the same way, I have created a link for home, about us and contact us page. And here I have defined the name of the route as I have defined this name in this app.js file here. This is the name of the route, and here in app.vue.js file I have called this name of the route here, so that when I click on this link it will navigate me to the about us page. Now friends, I am going to compile this code. As I am running in development mode, that's why I have given this command npm run dev. Yes, here is my compiled code and my build is successful. Now I move to this. Here you can see the navigation menu, the top. As you can see, when I click on this link, then its content gets changed. If I click on this, you can clearly see that I have successfully created this navigation in Vue.js. You can see the change in the URL. So friends, in this video, how to create about us, contact us pages in our Laravel Vue.js application. In my next video, that is going to be part 4, there I am going to show you how we can apply validation rules with the help of Vue.js and Laravel. Friends, you won't believe it will create just a magic, and it is very lightning fast application that we are going to create. Till then, bye, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you regularly want to watch these kind of tutorials. Thank you friends.